always desired to learn something useful. Here I am Ritu and you are watching Education for Kids, where we learn together and grow together. So here we go. What we are going to do today? Oh, let me think. What to do? Oh, hi sweetie, how are you?
Fine.
What you have in your hands?
These are for you.
Oh my goodness, thank you. These are jelly packets. Wow, idea. Let's make jelly today. So, we need containers to make the jelly. Right, so what are the flavors we have here? Oh, what flavor is this?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And this one is?
Blackcurrant.
It's blackcurrant. Oh my god. And what is this green color?
Apple.
Apple flavor. Okay, so we are going to make these 3 flavors. Okay, what we need? We need
Some balls.
and we need water. The water should be
In the cup.
Need hot water. We should be very careful because it's hot.
Very careful.
So we are taking hot water in the containers. We are done with the water.
Yes.
Yes, and it's too hot. What? Done! Okay, what next? So, which flavor you want first?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Let's open it. Okay. Oh. So we are going to make this strawberry flavor. I love this flavor, do you know? I think your favorite flavor.
I love very
That's why here we have this flavor. So we are going to add this. Yes.
We need to cut and put in the hot water.
Let's see what going to happen. Oh wow, it's pink color.
I love it.
Wow, now what we have to do?
We need to mix it.
Yes. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
But be very careful, it's hot.
Yeah.
Okay? Now stir it. Till that we will open this blackcurrant. Okay? Yes. So here, what color is this? I think this will be purple color.
I know.
Your one is done? No, not yet. You need to stir it more.
Yeah.
Here is our another
Oh.
packet. So let's see what color is this.
It's purple.
Oh, it's purple. It's true. How do you know?
I know the colors.
Okay, so here we have
Mix.
some color. Now we will mix it. Stir it. Yes, we have to mix it well. Oh, it's okay. Mix.
This smell is good.
Wow. Do you like it?
Yes. I like the pink color.
Wow. I want to taste it. But we need some more. We have to wait some more time. Are you done with your one?
I think no yet.
Not yet.
No.
Okay. We have to dissolve also mixture, right?
Yes. The sugar we need to.
Yes. Okay, mix it well. Let's stir. Oh, it's still we need to make. Do you want help?
No.
No.
I can do it.
Yes.
Yes,
you can do it.
Yes.
It's very easy. Children can make it easily. But we need help only for the hot water because we have to be very careful. It's hot, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Yes. Okay, done. My one is done. Now I'm going to open this
Mine?
third packet.
Oh, my one is not
Oh,
yet.
not
done.
yet. Okay, complete that. Be careful. Slowly,
Okay.
slowly. Okay, so this is my third jelly packet. And this is, I think it's going to be green. Yes, let's see.
It's green.
Wow, very nice color, right?
See the smell of this pink color.
And
Mm.
I'm going to eat this one.
Mm.
Let's see the smell. Oh, it's smell like apple, green apple. It's fine.
This one is good smell. It's like
So we
strawberry.
have to dissolve all this jelly powder in the hot water.
It's not powder.
But it looks like powder, right?
Yes. I think it's powder.
Oh. Okay, mix it.
Oh.
I think that one is done, right?
Let me see. Yes. See? It's done.
Yes, you're done. So you have to wait for me because my one is still not dissolved.
3 colors are nice.
Yes. What are these 3 colors? Can you tell me?
Yes. This one is pink color. And this one is purple color. And that one is green color.
Green color. Okay. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color in
these 3, which one you like?
this jelly.
Oh, that's why you selected that one, right? Okay. So our mixtures are dissolved and we are done with this mixing part. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have some molds here.
Wow.
So now what we are going to do?
Why do you have this mold?
Yes. Okay. So now we will
take it
yes.
and put in the mold.
Yes, we are going to fill these mold with our
I love
jelly
the-
mixture.
I love the red color mold.
Okay, now
Very
I'm
carefully.
yes, we have to do it very carefully.
Otherwise it will
Yes. Okay, so this is green color. And next one is we have we will try this one.
Red color. I think I will put the
We will
red
put
color.
in this one.
Okay. Wow, it's nice
Nice.
color.
Yes.
But it will be set.
Then it
It
will
will be
up.
bouncy.
Yes, it's bouncy. Jelly is.
Bouncy.
Do you know that song?
Yes.
Jelly song. Can you
Yes.
guess what's that song?
Jelly on the plate.
Can you sing that?
Yes. Jelly on the plate. Jelly on the plate.
We will wobble, jelly on the plate. Wow, our jelly is going to be ready. Done today. Oh, we are done with this one, and I have container here. So remain mixture we will.
I know.
Yes.
I know. Let's make
Layer jelly.
Yes.
So what color we are going to pour first?
Purple color.
Purple color, right? We are going to pour all this purple color here.
Then the purple color will set. Then we'll put green color.
Yes. But we can't pour all these 3 colors together because first it should be set. Then only we are going to pour another one, and until it sets we have to wait. And then we are going to pour the third one so we can get the layer jelly.
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to put this
On the
in the fridge. So let's go. Hey, here we are done with our jelly. Now it's time to
taste it.
yes. I can't sweet, but how to taste?
I have one spoon.
Wow!
One for you and
Thank
one
you.
for me.
Let's try. I'm going to taste it. Sweet, you only see it like this. Taste.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Our jelly is super duper tasty. So you also make this easy jelly recipe and you also send your feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel Education for Kids, and next time we will come back with something new. Till that, goodbye.